Let's look at subsets of our data. I have some new data here called autos. So let's go ahead and download that and get that set up. So what I want to do is, let's say autos. Then we have, say, read CSV file dot choose and okay, let's choose our file. So I put this one on the website, but also put it here on my desktop, but I also put it on the website so you can look for it. Okay, let's look at this file. So let's look at the head and autos. So we're looking at all of the columns and the column headings. We have the make, fuel, the make of the car, Romero, Audi, and etc., etc. You can't see all of them because there's not enough room here. But the fuel, the gas, doors, two convertibles, blah, 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 blah. The length, the width, height, everything, all the information about the automobile. Miles per gallon. And what have we got? Miles per gallon. I think we got miles per gallon somewhere here. Oh, RPM, city miles per gallon, and highway miles per gallon, and price. Of course, there's a lot more. You will only see 6 rows right here. So let's go ahead, and what we're going to do is what we're calling a subset. So we only want certain information from our data, so that way we can furthermore do more work on our data once we get our subset. Kind of like a database almost. Okay, subset, and here's the syntax. We need our file name. We turned it into a variable, autos. So autos is basically our file now. Okay, so I want to look at let's look at city miles per gallon. I already had this done. Anyway, okay, let's do that again. So I already had it all in there. Okay, so this is what we'll do for the subset. Subset, autos, city miles per gallon. And notice the syntax here. We have 2 percentage characters. And inside we have something, the in keyword, IN. And in 25 miles per gallon, city miles per gallon. So we only want to get the results of all the rows of automobiles that get 25 miles per gallon in the city. Go ahead, hit enter, and there we go. So we still have all of our regular column names, doors, styles, drive, blah, blah, blah. But we're only retrieving all this information here that has city miles per gallon of 25. So let's try city miles per gallon. Let's try 26. And you can do city miles per gallon. Well, let's say highway miles per gallon. Anything, any column name that you can think of right here, you can put in here. And within, let's say we're going within 26, 6 city miles per gallon, so it's a lot of them. 26 miles per gallon in the city. All right. let's try another one. So we're doing subsets here. You kind of get the idea. Name of the variable file right here. Column name, the attribute, as they say, attribute you want to focus on. The in keyword inside the percentage character sign, and whatever criteria you want here. If this might be color, color of the automobile, and in here you might say red or something. It just depends on what you're looking for. Okay, let's try 30. There are 30 miles per gallon in the highway. All right. So anyway, that's how you do a subset, and then you can work on the data after that. One thing I forgot to show you, that when you close down, you can, the history over here, we have all the history that you've done so far in your project here. And we can save the history, of course. Now, what I like to do is I just like to take the old history and overwrite it. Do you want to replace it? So it'll just overwrite what you did last time. So I always say yes. Okay, and that's subsets, and you can also save everything if you like.